Google introduced the Pixel 9 series in India in August, including the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, and Pixel 9 Pro Fold. But only the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro XL, and Pixel 9 Pro Fold were sold in the country. However, on October 17th, Google will launch the Pixel 9 Pro in India, which will be up for pre-orders in India through Flipkart. Its base variant is priced at 1,09,999 Indian rupees, 1,310 US dollars, or 1,200 euros. The Google Pixel 9 Pro comes with the Tensor G4 SoC, Android 14, up to 16 GB RAM and 1 TB storage, and a 6.3-inch 120Hz LTPO OLED display of 1280p resolution. The smartphone is fueled by a 4,700 mAh battery with 27-watt wired charging support and features 4 cameras: 50-megapixel primary, 48-megapixel periscope telephoto, 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and 42-megapixel selfie.